Good morning. It's Tuesday, October 1st. What is this now? 3 days since the storm hit on Friday. Our emergency response team is mobilized. We're on our way to Douglas, Georgia, one of the worst hit cities in Georgia. And we're going to do as much good as we can. We're going to remove some trees, tarp tons of houses, and just start, getting homeowners back on their feet, hopefully, and secure their roofs so that they don't have to worry about any water damage in the upcoming rain this next weekend. So we'll see how it looks in a little while. I heard once you pass Jessup, get near Alma, it gets pretty war zone-ish. So I'll definitely take some videos. Give me a few hours. All right, we got some daylight finally. I just drove through Jessup, about 30 miles from Alma. Jessup wasn't too bad. Big old pine down right here though. Some metal roofs got torn back. They probably had too long of an exposure at the eaves. You should have 1 to 2 inches max as an overhang. If you have any more than that, you're susceptible to some wind getting caught underneath and ripping that roof right off. That's what we saw on a lot of roofs. At least I'm assuming that was the issue, or else they just were completely installed poorly for them to rip off. Because Jessup, I think, saw a 70-mile-an-hour wind, which is still pretty serious. But we'll see what Alma and Douglas look like here shortly. Alright, we're in Douglas now. I just missed about 6 or 7 of these in a row, but you got them working everywhere. The linemen, they're working hard. The storm chasers beat us to it, probably because we were at our own houses trying to fix our problems. Storm chasers, they ain't had no problems. Holy crap. Dang, I just hit that freaking electrical pole. Yeah, this is crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, this is just pretty normal right here. I have to drive right under a power line. All right, little update. It's day 2 in Douglas. It's Wednesday, and I had to buy a ton of tarps. We ran out of tarps yesterday, ran out of nails. Weren't really prepared for how much damage we saw. So this morning I got up early and I was at the roof and supply store pretty much right when they opened. They're so busy. I didn't get out of there till about 8:30, and then I had to drive 2.5 hours here. And when I got here to meet my crew, nobody has service. I don't have service, they don't have service. It takes about an hour and 20 minutes before we can finally meet up somewhere. I can give them all the materials they need and they can start to, get back to work. Just little things like that you don't really plan for, that really kill time, and it sucks for us as a business, but more for, those families that we're trying to help get tarps on their roof. I mean, that's not even really part of our business. We don't have tarping teams like storm chasers do, where all these guys do is tarp. We have some of our best minds, our best roofers tarping, because that's what people need right now. They have holes in their roof, and if they don't get a tarp on it, there's nobody going to be able to roof it before Saturday when the next rain comes. So all in all, it's been real tough. I'm driving now to get some service because I've had tons of calls that I answer, can't hear it, they drop. So yeah, we'll see. It's been a tough day.